Hey, it's PepperAmmy here. This week we are going to be taking a look at jambalaya as suggested as a comment on last week's video. Now for this recipe you will need 2 to 3 chicken breasts, 2 medium or 1 large onion, 1 red pepper, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic depending on how intense you want it, 100 grams of a good spicy chorizo, 1 tablespoon of cajun spice, 1 400 gram good quality can of tomatoes, and 200 ml of chicken stock, or 200 ml of water and a stock cube, and 200 grams of white rice. Basmati rice also works amazingly for this dish. To start, we want to heat a tablespoon of oil in a medium or large saucepan, and then slice our chorizo into discs about half a centimeter thick and dice the chicken. Once the oil is hot, add the chorizo first so it can release some of its beautiful colour and flavours for a few seconds before adding the chicken to give it a nice good coating, and then fry this for around 3 minutes. Whilst your chicken is cooking, dice your onion, mince your garlic and cut your pepper into thin slices. Next, add your onion and fry until softened. Then add your garlic and pepper and give it a good mix, and then cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. Then you want to pour in your can of tomatoes and your Cajun seasoning, and then cook that for another 2 minutes. Now if you can't get hold of Cajun seasoning, cayenne pepper or hot paprika will also work fine as a substitute in this recipe. Then add your rice and pour over your stock or your water and stock cube and bring to a boil and cover and let cook until the rice is soft. You may need to add more water depending on the rice you have used. Once cooked, turn off the heat and let cool for 5 to 10 minutes. This will allow the rice to absorb any of the extra liquid and add to the flavour of the dish. And also, as an added bonus, you won't burn your mouth when digging into this wonderful meal. Once cooled slightly, simply give it a good stir to fluff up the rice and serve and enjoy. Now this recipe turned out great, and the best thing about this meal is you only need 1 pot to cook it all in. So this meal could technically be cooked on a campfire if you were out in the woods. Now this is also a second video in the newest playlist of 1-pot meals, and I have noticed the past 3 videos I have uploaded have been rice heavy, so I'll definitely be making something non-rice related next week. But anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this week's recipe. Thanks again for the comment on the video of last week from H412 for the video suggestion, and I hope to see more suggestions for future videos in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all again next week.